Okay, so today we're here to talk about your today we're here to talk about your passion for baking. So can you just tell us a little bit about that, how you started baking?
Um, my mom said, "Hey, you should try baking." So I did, and I like it.
How long have you had this secret baking passion?
About 10 years.
10 years. Okay, so what are some of your most proud baked goods that you've made?
I've made cakes, pepperoni bread.
What's pepperoni bread?
It's kind of like a calzone, but it's a long bread that you chop up into little slices, and you have pepperoni bread, and you dunk it in sauce. It's delicious.
Would you be willing to engage in a bake off with Miss Forlenzo?
That's a little unfair because she's like a professional at this, and I'm not.
But you've been an extreme baker for a decade.
Not extreme baking. It's just because I like to bake for me.
Can you tell us a little bit about the baked goods that you've made for us today?
Well, yesterday I made cookies. They are Toll House cookies, but instead of just chocolate chips, they have peanut butter chips in them.
Wow. Alrighty. Thank you, Tougas. Any closing comments about your baking passion?
No,